There's a moment a lot of senior executives know, but rarely talk about. You've been in a room, you've been in dozens of rooms like it. You wanted to share a win, something, a lesson, a moment, something how that shaped how you think. Then halfway through that story, you realize it happened in 1996. And somewhere in the back of your mind, a quiet voice says, am I that guy talking about the good old days? I was that guy. I helped start Realtor.com when the internet was getting started. And this is back in a time when technology executives was a thing. A tech executive meant something different than it does today. I understand business models, market timing, product vision. I was in the room with others and other internet people to get things going. And I was someone that mattered. And then a lot of things like happens for certain executives. My salary level got too high and I got replaced by someone cheaper. The market moved, the industry shifted, and I landed in real estate, which if you've spent time around other executives, you'll already know it's not exactly where people assume you ended up because things went great. Now, real estate has been a great business for me. I built a real one over 30 years while being executive. But to be honest, most people, when they talk to a real estate agent, they don't come back from the conversation thinking, wow, that was a visionary that I just spoke to. We kind of land just above car salesman, which is not a good thing. And that's kind of hard to take when I've done what I've done. So for a while, I was stuck in a gap. Too much experience to pretend the past didn't happen, but not enough infrastructure to build what I could see is coming. Then AI happened, and I meant it really happened. Not the hype, the version, the actual version, where I'm sitting down with Claude Code and building amazing items with plain English and having these sessions with my coder. I started building. I gamified a sales dashboard for my real estate team. It has it on a website. We're going to create a SaaS model. I created a governance intelligence platform for my HOA, which we're going to be launching very soon. This took development teams, multiple of them 2 years ago. Now I'm building MCP servers, doing RAG pipelines, deploying tools that are running my business right now. Now, the thing is, I'm not a software engineer. I never wrote code. What I have is 30 years of domain expertise, a clear understanding of business models, and finally, a tool and resources to help me manifest it. Now, here's what I want other executives to hear, especially the ones who got expensive and got replaced. Your domain expertise is not obsolete. It was just waiting for the right amplifier. The reason most AI tools produce generic output is that people using them don't understand the problem deeply enough. They know the tools, but they don't know the domain. You're the inverse. You know the domain cold. You've lived the problems. You understand what actually needs to be built and why. That combination of deep domain knowledge and the willingness to learn how to build with these cloud tools and codex is generally rare. And in 2026, it is monetizable. It wasn't 2 years ago. You don't have to be the person talking about what you did in 1996. You can be the person building something right now. Personally, I've spent too long defining myself by what I had already accomplished. The internet wave came. I rode it as an employee, not as an owner. I told myself I missed it, that the window had closed. I was wrong. The window didn't close. I just stopped looking for it. So my message, if you're an executive who got put on a shelf, too expensive, too senior, too much of a threat, or just caught in the wrong downsizing at the wrong moment, I want you to know something. That shelf is not the end of the story. It's just where the next chapter starts. These tools exist and are growing at a monumental rate right now to let someone like you build something that matters. The only question is whether you're willing to stop talking about the past and start building the future. I'm building mine right now. You can too. We'll chat soon.